Hi, my name's George. I'm the owner-operator of the elite franchise areas of the Gold and the Tweed Coast. So I go from Ormo on the northern end of the Gold Coast right down through Murwillumbah to Mullumbimby in northern New South Wales. I've been with the business now for 21 years and I've thoroughly enjoyed it. My previous work to this was with the Queensland Government, but I was away from home for extended periods of time and that was no good for a family, a young family. So I was really looking for a change and the opportunity came up to work for my wife's parents, who were one of the initial franchisees of the business. They started in 1984. So it's been a family owned and operated business for over 30 years. So it's a really good thing to see that for an Australian business. Like I said, I needed a change with the family and this working with Elite gave me the flexibility to take time off, watch my kids play sport and do things with my family that otherwise I would not have been given the opportunity for. So it's been a great move for me and I've thoroughly enjoyed it. We meet a large range of different people throughout every day and it's really nice. Over 21 years you form a lot of relationships with your customers. You see their kids grow up and you become part of their family, which is lovely. It's really, really nice. It makes it enjoyable going to work every day, something I absolutely love. We offer all aspects of carpet cleaning as far as our services goes. We do upholstery cleaning, leather protection and cleaning, and we offer pest control service as well, both termite management and general pest control, cockroaches, silverfish, spiders. I've got a big variety each day. It's a pleasure to go to work. So yeah, it's very, very nice. Sorry, the best part of the job is taking a client through where you've cleaned and the carpets have come up better than what they expected to. You can't get all marks out, but we do try. And when you don't think you're going to get a mark out and you can bring the client back into a room and show them that the marks are totally gone, it's really satisfying for that. One of the most important aspects to working with Elite is knowing that it's a totally owned and operated Australian business, which is very important these days. Our cleaning agents are made in Queensland, so there's no delay in getting product. If we need product, it can be couriered down and we've got it the next day. They manufacture some very, very good cleaning agents. They're brilliant on carpets and cleaning. They're absolutely brilliant. They seem to get stains out that other cleaning companies cannot get out. So yeah, they work very well. Some of these are available for purchase by customers as well. So if they have any spots or stains down the track, they can do some of their own cleaning as well. One of the most important aspects of working in a franchise as well is the support that we get from other franchisees and we can offer each other. Any problems with work or their cleaning or any general duties, there's any number of people that we can ask for advice. So the support from franchisees as well as the franchisor is really good. So it's a great business to work in. Well, the benefit of our franchise number is when you ring that number, you will go straight through to our office, not a call centre. So you know you're getting the person that's going to come and do your work for you. If anyone was looking at buying an Elite franchise, it's something I'd highly recommend. Like I said, I needed a work-life balance and that's exactly what joining the Elite family has done for me and my family. It's given me time to suit my schedule around my family, which is particularly important. People don't get quality family time these days. And I've been in the business for 21 years now, so that's proof that it's a quality franchise system to be involved with. Worked with Elite has been one of the best decisions I've made. I've no regrets. It's been really good. So yeah, I would highly recommend to anyone if they wish to purchase an Elite franchise, think strongly about it. It's been well worth it.